If you've forgotten your ETRADE password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the ETRADE website. Go to the official ETRADE website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your security. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use ETRADE to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your information. You will be prompted to enter your account information, such as your username or email address associated with your ETRADE account. Fill in the required fields and submit the information. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your information, check your email inbox for a password reset link from ETRADE. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that meets the ETRADE security requirements, then confirm the new password. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your ETRADE account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the ETRADE customer support for further assistance.